Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Outlook using My Templates. So there are two options mainly to create email templates in Outlook. The first one is using the add-in called My Templates, and the second one is using QuickBooks. We have another video on our channel how to create templates using QuickBooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create templates using My Templates. So let's get on with it. If you want to create some reply, and for example you're getting a lot of emails and you don't want to write every time the same thing, you want to use the template. So let's just click on specific email and just click reply. Now what you're going to see is here is the option called view templates, but if you don't have it displayed right here and the ribbon, maybe you have a simplified ribbon, for example something like this, you can also see here view templates. But if you don't see it in this top section right here, you want to go to home. Let's get the classic ribbon and click on the all apps, and here you can click on get add-ins. The My Templates add-in is provided automatically by Microsoft, but if you can see it in a ribbon earlier as I showed you, maybe you have it just turned off. So you can make it work in this section right here by going to all apps and my add-ins, which is right here. You can also get some more add-ins, but we are going to have it in another video. So yeah, My Templates, you want to make sure that this is selected and it is working. So let's go again to this email, and you can now click to view templates. As you can see, you have like these three templates basically provided by Microsoft from the start, but you want to create a new template by hitting this plus right here. And you can now put the title of the template that you want to write. So let's just say example template, and then you can write here whatever you want to do, but you cannot use formatting in this section right here. So you cannot change font size, you cannot change font, you cannot change the colors of the letters, you cannot add links. But what you can do is to write a template in the Word, for example, then just copy what you have written in the Word and paste it right here, and it will paste with the formatting, with links, with everything you have wrote in the Word. So I think it's the better option, and make sure that what you wrote in the Word is not more than 32 kilobytes, because this is the max amount what you can put in the template if you are going to have the notification that we couldn't save your template, or we couldn't save your template because it is too big. You need to decrease the amount of content you have in My Template. So maybe I will write it something. Thank you so much, you too. And then what you want to do after writing a template is just click save. And now, as you can see, you can just click on the example template and it will write this for you. So this is how you create and use templates by using my templates add-in in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and hit a subscribe. Bye!